Viewers are welcome to insert themselves here being the Calgary Marathon, held July 6th of 2008, and in conjunction with the Calgary Stampede and many other things. We're here with race director Jacqueline Sanderson.
Hello, how are you doing?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, thanks.
Tell me about what's coming up for 2008.
Oh, 2008, it's going to be a very exciting year. We're hoping to have the most amount of participants we've ever had before. The race just continues to grow and develop, and we have some really great surprises for all of our participants next year.
I'd ask you about the surprises, but they wouldn't be surprises any longer.
That's exactly right. You got to come run the race and find out what they are.
I would love to do so. Tell me some about the race's history.
The race's history, we actually started running the marathon in 1963. It's the oldest marathon in Canada. We're really proud of that fact, and we're just looking forward to continued growth and development and providing a really great race for all those runners out there.
What about the course?
The course itself is nice and flat, and it's very fast, so it's a really good course.
And let's see, how many participants do you expect?
This year we're hoping to break the 6,000 mark, so
okay.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
And there's more to do than just a marathon. Let's say you come with someone who doesn't want to go 26.2 or run at all, maybe.
Yeah, well, if we have all sorts of different distances. We have a 10K and a half marathon. We also have a corporate event, so if there's 4 people that want to come and participate, then you do that. And then of course, you know, we can't leave the kids out, so we have the kids marathon. And the race itself is held during the Calgary Stampede. So you run the race, you head off to the Stampede after the race, and you can eat all the corn dogs and mini donuts you want because you've burned a few calories already.
And you can enjoy some of the attractions of Calgary as well.
Absolutely. There's tons of attractions. Like I said, the Calgary Stampede, Heritage Park, the Calgary Tower, and then of course Banff National Park is just on our doorstep. So it's a wonderful, wonderful holiday.
Well, we're talking about July 6, 2008, and where can I go online to find out some more information about next year's race?
You go to thecalgarymarathon.com.
Thank you very much, Jackie.
Yeah, thank you.